So as you can see, I'm traveling again, and I just heard that my plane is delayed, so I thought I'd do a quick video for you about the 4 things that you need if you want to trade. It doesn't matter whether you want to trade stocks or options, or forex futures. Thing number 1, you do need money. If you want to trade, you do need money to trade, and I personally recommend that you start with $5,000 to $10,000. Anything less and you won't have much fun, and anything more, it's not needed, right? Because if you can't make money on a $5,000 or $10,000 account, or why do you think that you'll make money on a $100,000 account? So start small and grow big. Thing number 2 is you need a strategy, right? You do need a trading strategy that tells you exactly what to trade, when to enter, and when to exit. When to exit with a loss, and also when to exit with a profit. Thing number 3 that you need, based on the trading strategy, you will need a charting software, right? A charting software that shows you, it's your window to the markets. It basically shows you what the markets are doing right now and shows it in the form of a chart. It can be a bar chart or a candlestick chart. Doesn't really matter, right? But especially when you use indicators, and this is what I personally like to do, when you use indicators, you do need a charting software that plots the indicators so that you know exactly when to enter. If you have been following me for a while, you know that the 3 indicators that I like to use are RSI, stochastics, and MACD. Instead of using just any charting software, I use my own charting software, the PowerX Analyzer, because it makes it really easy for me to know exactly what to trade, when to enter, and when to exit. The 4th thing that you need is a broker, because eventually if you want to place the trades, you need to place them through a broker. The only financial instrument that allows you to place trades directly with the exchange are binary options at NADEX, the North American Derivatives Exchange. Everything else, whether you want to trade stocks on the NASDAQ, or you want to trade stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, or you want to trade futures, right? You do need a broker. So there are many choices out there. Probably the biggest brokerage out there is TD Ameritrade. Other brokerages, what I personally use is Interactive Brokers. Then there's Robinhood, as you know, E-Trade. So there's plenty of brokerages out there that you can use in order to place the trades. In summary, what are the 4 things that you need to trade? Well, thing number 1, you do need money. Thing number 2, you do need a trading strategy that tells you exactly what to trade, or when to enter, and when to exit. Number 3, you do need a charting software. And number 4, you do need a broker to place the trades. Hope this helps, and I also hope that you could hear me. So leave a comment and let me know if you could hear me, or if there was too much crazy thing going on. Make sure that you subscribe so that you're informed whenever I post a video for you, and click the little bell button, because this gives you a notification that then I'm live and I have a new video for you. Leave a comment and let me know if there's anything else that you would like me to talk about and cover. I will talk to you very soon.